Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed 11 problems. Now see the 12th question. Observe the question carefully. Sine square alpha plus. Here cos square alpha plus beta is there. Here 2 sine alpha, sine beta, cos alpha plus beta is there. In both the terms, take that cos alpha plus beta is common. Remaining what is there? Cos alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Students, are you understood? Now sin square alpha plus cos of alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta formula, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, and one more term is 2 sin alpha sin beta. Here observe that minus sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. So what will come, students? Tell me there. This is cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha cos beta. After calculating those terms, we get plus sin alpha sin beta. Now cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. What is the formula? What is the formula? Cos of alpha minus beta. Yes or no? This is cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. Students, tell me formula. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A minus B into cos A plus B. Cos square A minus sin square B. So cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta formula is cos square alpha minus sin square beta. Now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value is 1 minus sin square beta. 1 minus sin square beta means what? That is cos square beta. This is the answer. Fourth option is correct. Now go to the 12th question. See here what they are given. Sin A plus sin B, that is equal to root 3 cos B minus root 3 into cos B minus cos C. So sin A plus sin B. Observe the right hand side. Multiply with root 3 cos B minus root 3 cos A. Here we need to find sin 3A plus sin 3B is equal to. First, we can separate the angles. A one side, B one side. A one side, B one side. So first I am writing A terms, sin A. Right hand side angle A sent to left hand side. That is root 3 cos A. That is equal to root 3 cos B. Sin B send right hand side. Minus sin B. Minus sin B. Now students, divide on both sides with 2. Why I am dividing with 2? Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 91. Here root 3 by 2 is there, here 1 by 2 is there. The question, see here, root 3 is there or not? If by 2 is there, then we get sine angle, cos angle. That's right. Now divide with 2. 1 by 2 sine A plus root 3 by 2 into cos A, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into cos B minus 1 by 2 into sine B. Students, here observe that both left and right side convert into either sine terms or cos terms. Sine A plus B, cos A plus B formulas you know very well. Tell me sine A plus B formula. Sine A cos B. Here sine A already is there. 1 by 2 convert into cos. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 plus second term cos A into sine 60 degrees, that is root 3 by 2 or not, is equal to next term, that is also same formula, sine A minus B, sine A cos B. Cos B already is there, root 3 by 2 right in terms of sine, that is sine 60 minus cos 60 sine B. Students, all of you understood now? Left hand side, that is in the form of sine of A plus B. So sine of A plus 60 degrees. But in right hand side, sine of A minus B, that means 60 degrees minus B. Both the sides sine is there. Compare both, sine is going to eliminate. We get A plus 60 is equal to 60 minus B. Here 60 degrees is cancelled. Now finally what we got? A is equal to minus B. But here we need sine 3A plus sine 3B. 3A, 3B we need. Multiply on both sides with 3. We get 3A minus 3B. And apply sine on both sides. Sine 3A, that is equal to sine of minus 3B. What is sine of minus theta? Minus sine theta. Yes or no? Sine 3A is equal to minus sine 3B. So right hand side value, send left hand side sine 3A plus sine 3B, that is equal to 0. They are asking sine 3A plus sine 3B value. How much we got answer? 0. Students, which option is correct? First option is correct. 13th question. Cos A divided by cos B is equal to n, and sin A divided by sin B is equal to m. Then m square minus n square into sin square B. M square minus n square means what, students? M square minus n square into sin square B. M square minus n square, that is in the form of a square minus b square. So I am writing a plus b into a minus b form. That is m plus n into m minus n sin square b. Students, observe here, what is m plus n? M sin A by sin B plus n cos A by cos B. Okay, same like that. M minus n also sin A by sin B minus cos A by cos B into sin square B. Students, see the first term. Take the LCM. What happened? Tell me. LCM is sin B cos B. Numerator, what will come? So I'm writing in short form, sin A cos B plus second term cos A sin B. Now go to the second term. What is the LCM? Sin B cos B is the LCM. Numerator part, I am writing in short form, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B into sin square B, sin square B. Now numerator, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin of A plus B into second term, sin of A minus B. Now see the denominator, sin B into sin B, sin square B, cos B into cos B, cos square B into sin square B. Okay, so sin square B cancel. Remaining what is there? Cos square B. So how to write this? Tell me. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. What is the formula? Sin square A minus sin square B divided by cos square B. This is the formula. Now see the question. Here cos A by cos B is there, sin A by sin B is there. Cos A by cos B, sin A by sin B. How to write? Or we can use another formula also now here. Instead of sin square A minus sin square B, what is the formula? Cos square B minus cos square A. There are two formulas now. Divide that. Cos square B divided by cos square B 1 minus cos square A divided by